Welcome to Total Loot. Today I am going to do the short unboxing video for 4 Peak Design products which I have recently purchased. These 4 Peak Design products I have purchased from the Indian website. Let's start the show. The first product which I am going to show is a slim wallet, everyday slim wallet, what the Peak Design calls. This product only has a very small case where I can fit in 4 of my iCards or 4 of my credit cards. The second product is a tech pouch by Peak Design in Kelp color. I already have a sage color. I wanted to complete all my tech gear to go inside these pouches. I'm going to keep this pouch on my table to keep my daily IT products inside. It has a nice back pocket and inside there's a glow of the color with a contrast where you can easily see the item which have been kept inside. And here comes the third product. It's a beautiful white color 7-liter everyday Sling outdoor, again by the Peak Design. This sling has a very smooth surface, very low profile. It takes up very little space once it is packed inside, so you can keep it inside the bag itself. Now if you see all round, it has lot of pockets, the front pockets, the middle pocket, and inside the middle pocket it again has another pouch where it houses multiple inner pockets. This cord helps in cross-body sling attachment. The fourth item today which I am unboxing is an ultra light XX small mesh packing cube.